Hello, it's Gavin here, GPTV, and guess what happened to me after 3 days? Yeah. So, it's now Tuesday, and I uploaded my last video on Sunday, but I got the car actually fixed on the Saturday. I left it into a garage. He took it in at like 12 o'clock or something, and he said, I'll give you a ring in 2 or 3 hours, and he did. He rang me and it was done. It was finished. He done a chemical flush and a regeneration or whatever it is, where they basically forced the car to do its own cleaning cycle or something. But anyway, I had a lot of comments on it on the video afterwards, saying that it will come back after like 300 kilometers or so. Now it's literally only like 2 or 3 days. I got it on a Saturday, and this actually happened yesterday, like on the way home yesterday, which was the Monday night. It's now Tuesday morning, so technically it was 2 days, but 3 days this only lasted. 3 days, and it's back on again. So I'm just literally going to head straight to him now and throw my keys at him. And he's going like that, so I won't do that. I'll be nice, because I am nice. I think it may have been my fault anyway, and I'm saying my fault because it happened when I done something, and I'll tell you what that is now. I think it may have been my fault, but it shouldn't have been my fault. Basically, I was coming to a traffic light, and I was too close to stop when the traffic light went amber. So I just put my foot down, like foot to the floor, straight through the light, as an amber light, not a red light. You can't arrest me for that. As soon as I got through the lights on the other side, I just let go of the throttle. And when I let go of the throttle, I'm assuming in my head it worked out that there was just a big puff of black smoke hit that DPF, and that's what sent the light off. It was literally like I went through the light, let go of the throttle, and it just came on straight away. So that's what I'm assuming is that's what happened, is just a big black puff of smoke just hit that DPF. That's what I'm assuming happened. But I don't know, because I wasn't inside the exhaust when the black smoke came. I don't know, whatever, but whatever you can make of that. That's the way my brain works. So I'm going to head straight now to the garage, and hopefully he will just take the car off me today and fix it today again. This time I'm going to ask him, will you please take it out and power hose it, please? If I have to pay him extra, I'll pay him the extra. I shouldn't have to, because he should have done that the other day. Maybe there's one price for a chemical flush and then another price for removing and power hosing or something. But I don't know. But I'm just going to head straight there now, and hopefully he'll just take the car off me and fix it, and then I can have it back today. I don't know, but we'll see. Here's something else as well. When your DPF comes on, you can't use your cruise control. Look, it won't work. It'll turn on and off alright, but look, it's nothing. Like, there's my feet down there, look. It's not working. It would be just handy if it did, because then I could just like drive home without having to touch the pedals. It would be handy. I'm just working it out here. I think I may have done around about 300 to 400 kilometers or so, and then the light came on, just like one of the people in the comments said. So I'm sorry, I can't remember your name, but one of the people in the comments said that after about 300 kilometers that light will come back on again, and it did. So yeah, he was right. This is why my cars always look dirty, because I live close to farms and trucks like this coming ahead, and I live on roads like this. Look, this is what I have to drive around. Look at all this muck here on the side. Oh look, 3 trucks in a row. They all just splash me car to bits. Well, that's what I have to drive by. Farms, tractors, trucks. That's why my cars are always dirty. Okay, I'm just coming up to the garage now, and I just wanted to get my mileage on it on record, so that if it happens again, I'll have this mileage on record to see how long it lasted. Right, it's time for a walk now. I'm gonna leave it with him overnight, and he said he's going to take it out. He's gonna power hose it. He's gonna leave it soaking in the chemical overnight as well. And I said to him, why not just throw a service in there as well, because you're meant to, apparently. A lot of people have said that in the comments, that you're meant to leave it in for a service when you get the same thing done. So I'm just gonna get a service done as well and see what happens. Hopefully this will be the end of it. Look how handy his job is. He just stands there with a cloth and sprays the rail. How handy is that? Okay, Saturday I washed this and it's now Tuesday. And look. Yep, it's dirty again. Joys of winter. I washed this on Saturday. It's only Thursday. And I washed this with lavish ceramic foam. Look at it. Look at that. 5 days. 5 days. Is it any more responsive now, right? In the second gear. Yeah. It's a lot faster. Now it's Thursday at 4 o'clock and I've just collected my car. I'm back in it now here. And what he's done is he took it off me on Tuesday. Yeah, he took it off me on Tuesday, and he took the DPF out and left it soaking in that chemical foam stuff. He let it soak through it for 3 times. He let it soak through it over the last couple of days, and then he power hosed it backwards so that where the exhaust fumes would come through the front, but he power hosed it back that way to push them back out that way. So he done that. And then he also, I told him to just do a service. Apparently you're meant to do a service when you get a DPF done or something. I don't know. I don't know. So I got a service done anyway. Now he done a few different things. I have a piece of paper here that he told me what he done. He done the DPF clean and remove. He done a full service, oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, engine oil, checked all the lights and, you know, tires and greased, lubed doors. He done the hinges and the doors. Why did he do that? Anyway, reset interval. Okay, yeah, so he done the service. Oh, you done a service sticker? Ah, you done a service sticker as well. Okay. Look at the weather. It's raining and horrible and whatever. Look at that weather. Who wants to be out there in that? Who wants to be out there in that? Nobody. Nobody wants to work in this. I don't have a garage. I have to do these things. I have to pay other people to do this stuff. Anyway, yeah, I'm happy enough. Yes, I did have to pay. What was that? €235 on top of the €220 I already paid. But when you think about what he done a service, he done a complete removal and cleaned the DPF and power hosed it and whatever else, and he lubed up my doors. Lubed them. He checked all the tires and the brakes and suspension and stuff like that. €230 plus €220 is €450. I don't know what that is in any of your currencies. I know what it is in euro because that's what he charged me in euro. But yeah, that's not too bad. €450 to do all of that stuff. It's not too bad. I'm kind of happy with that. I'm not happy to have to pay it because I shouldn't have to. Okay, it's a diesel and these things go wrong with it. Hopefully this won't happen again for a while. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.